This one I tried. I'll show you. And then the second one about factorial, ooh, this was very tough for me.
Okay.
I even tried Googling it, but then no, I couldn't. And then I did this the volume of cylinder
Yes.
and the Fibonacci. But Fibonacci I did it with the help of Google.
Okay.
Yes. So here we go. Should I open them so that we can
Yes, yes.
run?
Yes, open the programs. Put them on different, copy them and put them on different files. Like you call it
Oh, okay,
volume.py.
okay, okay. Okay. That's good. Okay.
Let's get
Let
a
me
new
start.
file.
Yes. Let me say this is volume. Volume UI.
Hello, Leslie. Hello.
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 Yes, we are reviewing some of the things we did yesterday. So we are reviewing how he did the volume assignment. We gave an assignment to calculate the volume of a cylinder. I think we had done it with you, isn't it, Leslie?
Yes.
We had done it with you, how to calculate volume of a cylinder, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. So we are reviewing with him, so you didn't miss much. Yeah, there is a friend of ours called Andy. He should be joined today, and a lady called Jada. So let's just give them time. But
Okay.
yes.
Okay. I should keep on making them new pages first before start going through, right?
Yes.
Or we can go. Okay. Let me
Just
pick another
continue,
one.
just continue so that when they come.
Okay. Okay. Yes. I'll just call this Fibonacci. Fibonacci.
Actually, we just want to focus on odd numbers and then also
Yes.
the volume. Fibonacci, we will learn it.
Okay. Then let me just rename this. Let me rename this to odd numbers.
Odd even. Odd.py.
Yes.
Odd.
Odd
Even.
even
Yes.
at py. Yes. Um, yes.
Okay. I want you to explain to me how you start with that odd even.
Okay. You told us to write a program that print odd numbers from 0 to 30.
Yes.
Yes. We know that odd numbers are numbers that when divided by 2, we would have a reminder, or numbers that are not divisible by 2.
Yes.
Yes. So the range was that for x in the range of 0 to 30, that we know that we have to print numbers from 0 to 30.
Yes.
But within those numbers, we have to select only odd numbers.
Yes.
So I use this. This is the operator, modulus operator.
Yes.
Which is bringing the reminder, producing the reminder.
Yes.
So I had to say that the reminder when the number is divided by 2.
Yes.
So I wanted the modulus to such any number that is when it's divided by 2, we give a reminder. We get a reminder, and that number must not be equal to 0.
Yes.
This is the operator for that. Then I said print it.
Good.
Yes.
Okay. Good. So then the one for volume. Leslie, I hope you have understood how he has gone. Can you just check it? How we go back there shortly so that he can.
Okay. Yeah.
So we had not done this. We had not learned this part. There is what is called modulus. Leslie, there is what is called if you divide a number by 2, or modulus if you divide a number by 2, by 3, then modulus is done using percentage. Can you see line 5?
Yes.
Yes. So if you divide a number, you divide a number like 10 divided by 2. Then if it is a even number, or if it's an even number, then the remainder is equal to 0. If it is an odd number, then the remainder is a value like 1 or 3 or something, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes. So he has checked here. We had done if statement with you, so you understand. So he is doing the for loop, and then he's checking if x divided by 2, the remainder is not equal to 0, the modulus operator. So it's used to check if the number is odd or if, then you print the value of x. Okay. Yeah. So can you run it? A Python, then you run odd even.py so that we see the output. Yeah. So they become 1, 2, 1, 3.
1, 3, 5.
Yes.
7, 9, 11 as
odd numbers. Good. Okay. Then volume of a cylinder.
Okay. This is the volume of a cylinder.
Yes.
First we know that volume is the product of radius and height. Pi r square.
Yes.
Times h.
Yes.
So as long as we are going to use pi, I had to import math first. Yes. So first I started by defining that the volume of cylinder is a function of radius and height. Then I defined the volume equals to pi times radius square times height.
Yes.
And then in return, the volume, I'd get the volume.
Yes.
Now I have to put my inputs, to set my inputs.
Yes.
So that you can calculate. We already have the formula now for the calculation.
Yes.
That radius, I inputted input into the radius of the cylinder in meters.
Yes.
But I could have decided to be an integer or a float, but as long as we know that it was a float.
Yes.
In the measurements, yes. So I changed it from string to float.
Yes.
The same as to height. Into the height of the cylinder in meters. Then I converted it to float from string. Then at the end I calculated and put the volume. Because volume of the cylinder function of radius and radius. Print f string function. Volume of the cylinder is volume with 4 significant figures in cubic meters.
Yes.
So I have to input first the radius and the meter so that it can calculate.
Yes. Can you run it?
Okay. Oh, I didn't. Okay.
Run the program.
Yes. Okay, I didn't call it. Okay, sorry.
So Python, then volume.
Volume. Enter the radius of the cylinder. I would say 5.4. Enter the height of the cylinder. I would say 3.0. The volume of the cylinder is 274.8265 cubic meters.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have used a concept called functions. You see line 4 up to line 6.
Yes.
Yes, it is a concept called functions. We are going to learn it in future,
Okay.
like I think maybe next week, but it's
Okay.
okay. I want to show you. You could have just, the line 5. Can you copy line 5? Copy line
Line
5.
5, yes.
Copy the whole
Okay.
of it. Okay, and then paste it
Yeah.
at 11.
Okay.
Yes. Okay. Give some space. Give some space after 11 and 10 and 11. Give some line, and then you put there calculating. You put a comment.
Yeah.
Comment calculating.
10 and 11, eh?
Yes.
Okay.
Comment
Calculating.
calculating the volume.
Yes.
Okay, and then I want you to delete from number 3 to 6. No, number 4 to 6. From 4 to 6. Just that function.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, and also delete line 12.
Line 12. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So can you run it? Save and run again?
Okay. Enter the radius of it. 3.0.
It gives you the same.
Yes.
Yeah. So
Yes.
basically what
Yeah.
you did is something called functions,
Yes.
whereby if you have a lot of things you are doing, you put them together into a function, or you like group. Like if you want to
Yes.
calculate volume, you can group the commands together into something called a function.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, so we will learn that, I think, mostly next week. But also, you did it correctly. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this one was the easiest.
Yeah.
You
It
just
was
go
the
straight.
easiest.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go straight. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. So Grace was not to join us, but Jada, I don't know, she something. So Jada is requesting we should be doing this 2 hours early. Leslie, what do you think?
Okay.
What do you think from it is going to be 2 p.m. Kenyan time to 4?
2-4.
Yes, because even Andy also requested that time is best for him.
Okay. Take care done.
Okay, we will. I'll also inform others if we also ask them. Emmanuel, what do you think about starting 2 hours early?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Yeah, we will from tomorrow so that everyone can. By this time, the others are very tired. Okay, so let's continue. You can stop sharing now.
Okay.
We want to learn a few concepts. Okay, doing a review. We learned about Git Basics, which now you know, isn't it, Emmanuel?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, how to configure GitHub. You
Get
first
that?
of all, if you do a new
When I joining
installation of
the study.
GitHub, you need to configure GitHub using git config.
Yeah.
Then you say username, then you put your username, the username you
Can't.
used on GitHub, and then also the email which you
Yeah.
have used to sign up on GitHub, user.email, user.name. Then git init is used to initialize the project as a GitHub project, meaning that you are saying that this is a Git project. In the folder where you are typing is going to be a Git project. Then git add, you want to add a file, a specific file to GitHub. So you would say GitHub hello.py, like our Python file, the file name, right?
Yeah.
And then if you want to add everything, you just say git add star will add
Yeah.
everything that is in that folder. Then git commit -m. There is a space between commit and m, and then also space between m and the message. Then you write the commit message. What do we mean by commit message? Like for example, yesterday I gave you the assignment of program to calculate volume of a cylinder. Okay,
Yeah.
so that is what you have done. So you say there program to calculate volume of a cylinder. If you are working for a like in a company or working on some project, then you say, I have fixed the problem. Like maybe if you are doing website, you are building a website and the button was not working. So you say fixed the button issue. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah. If
Yes.
you are working on a website for someone and then what have you done? You have fixed the button issue or you have fixed downloading issue. And then git push will push whatever you have done, all the code that you have done on your local machine or on your computer to the internet or to github.com. So that is why you need git push. Then there are others, git push remote branch name. So remember, if you are working on projects, then there is code which is working. Are we together?
Yes.
There is code which you made is working. Maybe that is being used, but then there is experimental. You can call a branch experimental. Experimental is the one which can have errors, or like you have done something and your boss has not checked it, or you have done something and your team you have not agreed that is how you are supposed to do it. So they will create a branch. Like that branch is where you can play around, you can make mistakes, and then once everyone has agreed, then you do what is called you do what is called git merge. So let me show you. I want to show you this, and then you check out and then git clone URL. So let me show you this. Hello, Jada. Hello, Jada. She's joining. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, there is what is called GitHub flow. GitHub flow. It's good for us to learn this today. So GitHub flow, like how the projects work. They have done so many things there, but Jada, are we together? Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. So I want everyone to understand this so that because we are also learning. You know, Jada's phone computer is not able to join. I don't know. I don't know. Her computer.
Okay.
I don't know why. Okay. So there is what is called the master branch. Okay. Can you see, people? There is the master branch. The master branch is the code which the company or the project that is working. You know, if you are building, for example, you are building a game, you are building a mobile app. The code that is working, which everyone, like the complete app which is working. Can you see that? Yeah. And normally, maybe someone who is more mature, more experienced is the one who is having control of this master. So the master is continuing like that. And then there is a feature in that, for example, if you are building WhatsApp, then you decide to include some new feature. Like if you remember, WhatsApp did not have status long time ago.
Yeah.
Okay? So if you decide you decide to tell your boss that, my boss, I want to include a feature whereby people can view something called status. So they give you that feature. So here you say you branch. Can you see this is the master? Okay.
Yeah.
And then coming down here, you branch. So that is what we were saying, Git branch. You are creating a branch.
Branch.
Okay. So inside that branch, you are going to add a commit. You know how to add a commit? Git commit. Meaning you are changing, you are doing something to the app, you are adding a screen for video, and then other people who are in the team will do what is called pull request. Okay? They will also work with the branch. Maybe we are 4 people. They also work with the branch, and then they do that. And then once you test it and it is ready, what do? You
merge.
You merge to the final working code. This working code, nobody should touch it. Maybe your boss. And even this merging, like the boss is the one who, or somebody who is more senior, is the one who will do it. Yeah. So there are several ways to do it. There are several ways. Even here, it explains it. Even this explains it very well. Okay. So there is master. Can you see master? Okay.
Yes.
Master is the working code. Okay.
Yeah.
Master is the working code. And then there are also other branches which people have created. For example, develop, then release. So this other one, like somebody is working on this, someone is working on this, and then you are able to do what is called branch. You can branch it to so many other things. And then once you complete it, you do what? You merge. Yes. So that is what, there is master, there is develop, there is feature. So everybody, you can find that master, a senior engineer is the one in charge. This other one, some other people are in charge. Okay. Yeah. You can always read more about GitHub. So, yeah. So that's what I wanted to. So Jada is not able to join. Can we restart the call and see if she will be able to join?
Okay.
Yes, I'm restarting and sharing the link in the group.
Okay.
Okay.